You will almost certainly have to add figures and pictures into your LaTeX document, whether that is for your dissertation or papers. This video will cover how to do exactly that. First, make sure you have your figures and pictures saved and placed in the folder you have your LaTeX document in. LaTeX is great because you don't have to drag and drop your images. You simply write the code to import them and LaTeX does it for you. We start with the exact same codes we covered in previous videos. If you are unfamiliar with our previous LaTeX tutorial videos, watch this playlist in this card here. We first write \document class, curly bracket article, and curly bracket. On the next line, we want to use the graphics package installed in LaTeX. So we write \use package, curly bracket graphics, and curly bracket. We begin the document with \begin, curly bracket document, and curly bracket. Now we are going to start putting in the figure. We write \begin, curly bracket figure, and curly bracket. On a new line write \include graphics, square bracket width, equals 0.3, line width, and square bracket, curly bracket, then enter the exact name of your figure or picture, and end with and curly bracket. It's important to stress that the name has to be exact, including the file extension. In this case, my figure is called cat.jpg. The cat starts with an uppercase C. The line width tells LaTeX that we want the figure to span the entire width of the document. We are now going to add a caption to the figure. On a new line we write \caption, curly bracket, a cat, and curly bracket. You can use whatever caption you want, but I'm just going to say a cat. On a new line, we write \label, curly bracket, fig, then write whatever you'd like to label the figure, then end with an and curly bracket. This is telling LaTeX that you want to call this figure this name. In this particular case, it is cat1. So if I want to refer to this figure at any point, I just use this name. It makes it so easy to reference it anywhere in your document. Let's see an example. On a new line write, figure \ref curly bracket, fig cat1, and curly bracket, shows a cat. Now, we are going to finish the document by writing on a new line and, curly bracket, document, and curly bracket. We hit compile and this is what we get. A nice picture of a cat, and notice that we have the figure's caption and a sentence with the correct figure number entered automatically. That means that if we put in 100 pictures and jumble everything around, anytime I reference this picture in my document, the correct figure number will appear. That is so helpful. That is for one simple figure. This cat is lonely. Let's add some more cats. We are going to add the following additional code. There are effectively two new blocks of code added. Let's explain what they are. The first block is for the first new image while the second block is for the second new image. Notice that there are a couple of new pieces of code, or at least modifications. First of all, we've added next to the begin figure an H inside square brackets. What this does is isolate this figure from everything else. That makes it easier to move it around and alter. The second modification is that in this final block of code, we now have 6 cm as the width and not some arbitrary number like we have in the first two blocks. You can also use units of length to tell LaTeX how big you want the picture. And if we hit compile, we see 2 new cat pictures have been added. That is how we use LaTeX to add figures into our document. In the next video we will go through adding tables.